Some of the most delicious salad leaves are herbs that look like weeds. Perfect for a salad fit for a partisan. Gennaro, I have a contribution to your salad.
Let's have a look. What you got?
A wild contribution. Look at this.
Oh, what is it?
A little bit of dandelion.
Yeah.
A little bit of wild sorrel.
Little bit.
Tasty, it's very good. And a little bit of chickweed. It's all wonderful for this. Look at this. This is a natural contribution.
You're great. You need somebody like me.
Oh, yes.
To make the best Bresaola salad.
Okay, then start.
Okay, first thing first, bread. What actually we'll do, we'll give a nice crispiness to the salad. Okay, first I cut them in a small
Cubes.
crostoni di pane.
Yes.
That's good. Nice olive oil.
Thank you.
You got it?
Thank you.
Here, I've got this nice little bit of a wild rocket, but you can use any nice crispy salads, which is good. The sorrel is beautiful.
Don't forget the sorrel, this one.
Yeah, yeah. I have this fantastic radishes. The radishes and give it a lovely little bit of a pungent.
Yeah.
You cut it, just roughly cut. Yeah.
Yeah, in quarters, it's fine.
Look at that. Then goes in. It's a lovely color. Eggs.
Let's see, it's too soft.
It's not too soft. Then you quarter it or half it. Yes.
Yes. Lovely.
This goes on top.
So, and now?
The Parmesan cheese.
Yes.
And then shave it. Just shave it. Oh, it's not finished yet. You get some nice olives. Look at these olives. Fantastic. That's good. And for a dressing, you need fresh garlic and good olive oil. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And 1 tablespoon of nice white wine vinegar. If you don't have white wine, use red wine. It works as well. Then a little bit of salt.
Well done.
Oh, yes, yeah.
It works. Gennaro, it works. Look
It's
at
work,
this.
because it's working. Okay.
The croutons are ready already.
And this is the Bresaola.
Fantastic.
I'm going to put this 2 middle slice.
Yes. Good. Abundant.
Abundant.
Now on top.
Look at that.
Put it all in, Gennaro.
No, listen, let me just make you something nice for you. Mamma mia, you never give me a chance. I want to make me looking pretty.
Gennaro, I am hungry.
Give me the croutons. Oh, yes, yes, yes.
I love the croutons.
Yes.
Something crispy and nice.
Going to put just a little extra one of a parmesans on top.
Let me see. Come on.
Come on.
Gennaro, I must admit, for a change, that's very good.